Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're looking at a machine that doesn't just drive down the road, it dominates it. This is the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 2.0 6x6, a brutal blend of military attitude, luxury presence, and pure off-road insanity. If you love extreme vehicles that turn heads and crush terrain at the same time, this one is going to blow your mind. Starting with the exterior, the Hellfire 2.0 looks like it rolled straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie set. The massive six-wheel drive stance instantly sets it apart, giving it a commanding road presence that few vehicles on the planet can match. Aggressive wide-body panels, armored styling cues, and towering ground clearance make it look unstoppable from every angle. The front end is bold and intimidating with a heavy-duty grille, integrated LED lighting, and a reinforced bumper built to handle serious abuse. The oversized off-road tires wrapped around beadlock-style wheels aren't just for show. They're designed to conquer mud, sand, rocks, and anything else in the way. This is not a vehicle you blend in with. This is a vehicle that owns the road. Step inside, and the Hellfire 2.0 surprises you with a mix of rugged toughness and premium comfort. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, from premium leather seating to custom stitching and aggressive interior accents. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed to keep you comfortable whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising the highway. A large infotainment display, modern digital gauges, and advanced connectivity features bring this beast firmly into the luxury category. Under the hood is where the Apocalypse Hellfire 2.0 truly earns its name. Power comes from a supercharged V8 engine that delivers explosive acceleration and massive torque. This beast doesn't care about terrain, weight, or obstacles. It just pushes forward with authority. The advanced 6x6 drivetrain sends power to all six wheels, giving you insane traction and stability in the harshest conditions. Heavy-duty suspension, reinforced axles, and upgraded braking systems ensure that this monster not only goes hard, but also stays controlled when things get extreme. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 2.0 6x6 sits firmly in the ultra-luxury, ultra-performance category. With its custom build, extreme engineering, and limited production, pricing starts around the mid-six-figure range and can climb higher depending on customization options. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, built for those who want something truly rare and outrageous. When it comes to safety, the Hellfire 2.0 doesn't compromise. It features advanced stability control, traction management systems, reinforced body construction, and high-performance braking to handle its immense power and size. Multiple airbags, driver assist technologies, and enhanced visibility systems help keep you confident and secure whether you're on-road or off the grid. To sum it all up, the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 2.0 6x6 is not made for the ordinary driver. It's built for those who want dominance, exclusivity, and extreme capability wrapped into one insane package. From its aggressive exterior and luxury interior, to its supercharged power and unstoppable 6x6 drivetrain, this machine stands in a league of its own. If you enjoyed this review and love extreme vehicles like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.